We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.